Was at a time in my life where I needed clarity and was a little bit of lost what to do next and what's the purpose. I definitely go back with significant amount of more confidence and assurance that this is the right path. And just how grateful I am, in fact, to have found this space and this community. My name is Daniel, and I followed Brian since I Googled Stoicism on YouTube, but this was in 2017. More on the side of being the librarian and consuming content, because he has this fascinating ability to condense the wisdom into something that is tangible and really practical. And I come from a science background, so this combination of philosophy and ancient wisdom and modern science was the one that really caught me on. But the real breakthrough came through the coaching program in 2022 when I really committed myself to putting all of these teachings into practice. And this is when all the change happened. I was at a time in my life where I needed clarity and was a little bit of lost what to do next and what's the purpose. As I was following the program and then we're promoting the coaching program, I said, you know what? I'm going to do this right now. And then I committed myself to this 300-day phenomenal program. And it happened to be that it was during a personal crisis in my lifetime. And this program literally saved my life. Without this, I wouldn't be standing here. And the question then becomes not why is this happening, but how do I respond to that? And that was a major shift, and to come out of this victim mode and then going into the creator mode, and without complaining, accepting reality, and just move through. I came here also for the Workshop Instructor Training. That was my goal. I recommitted myself to class 20 when they announced that they're going to do such a workshop training. And it was just phenomenal, just seeing the people also in real life, right? And also the community and having this language in a way, because I live in a small island in the Caribbean and nobody knows about heroic over there. And it's just fascinating to share, and right away you connect with everybody right away like that. And it's just a beautiful feeling, and to absorb that and to bring that home. It amplifies everything. And I definitely go back with significant amount of more confidence and assurance that this is the right path, and to see how everybody's learning from each other and how different everybody is. Everybody has his own journey, to see the effect that this has on an individual person, and to feel what it means then or to be part of something that is bigger than ourselves, and to grow this and to spread positivity, tools to improve lives. It's just astonishing. It was just phenomenal. The energy and pushing everybody and also helping each other. I had the moment where I was helping a fellow hero at the last obstacle of the race. And the interesting point is, when you come around the corner, go up the hill, you don't really see it, but I spotted her, and it was instant. It's I will help her. The question, there was no thought involved. It was right away, go there, you do this, you can climb on my leg, on my shoulder, just go up. There was no question asked in a way. It's we're going to do this together. And it happened like that. And just how grateful I am, in fact, to have found this space and this community, and to grow together and support everybody also here, not only here, but also in the world with that. And I'm just really, 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 really grateful. And Austin is my favorite city in the US, so I'm happy that it's going to also be here, and I have friends here. I lived here, so that's awesome.